Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the signal chain. Use a dynamic mic or a low-sensitivity condenser and position it about 20-30 centimeters from your mouth. Next, record into an audio interface at 24-bit and 44. 148K Hz so you retain headroom. Set the preamp gain so peaks sit near -12 decibels to avoid clipping. Once done, enable a pop filter and close mic technique. These choices give consistent tone and reduce sibilance, which makes the later processing much cleaner and more predictable. Now you sculpt tone with EQ and control dynamics with compression. Start by high-passing at 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and notch any 200-400 Hz muddiness for clarity. Add a presence boost between 2 and 5 kHz and a subtle warmth boost around 120 to 200 Hz. Reduce harshness in the 5 to 8 kHz band as needed. Then apply compression at about 3:1 ratio with a 10 to 30 millisecond attack and an 80 to 150 millisecond release until you finish by adding character. Apply subtle saturation or tube emulation to introduce pleasing harmonics. Keep it light so the voice stays clear. Once done, place a short plate or small room reverb with a 20 to 40 millisecond pre-delay and a low wet mix, around 5 to 15%, to give air without washing the voice. Finally, use a limiter to catch peaks and set ceiling to -0.1 decibels. Then check playback at reference levels and in mono to ensure phase and balance are solid.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.